Let's see how to log third-party repairs and close issues. Once the issue is created, Simply Fleet sets the issue status to open. That means it's logged and waiting for you to take action. Now you choose how to fix it. Option A, send it to an external shop. Option B, assign it internally to your tech team. In this video, we are going to look at Option A, external repair. If it's going out for repairs, mark the vehicle out of service. This ensures no one accidentally assigns or dispatches it. Once the shop returns the vehicle, the admin can decide to simply close the issue or close the issue with a service entry. We recommend that you close the issue with a service entry to maintain the service history and sync reminders. You can add the service task details and costs. The comments are auto-filled with the issue details. You can upload the invoice and click Save. As soon as you log the service, the system changes the status to closed and the vehicle is marked in service. That's it. With Simply Fleet, every issue and external job is fully documented, just the way it should be. Try it yourself today.